Right, hello people. Got a quick update, quite a big one. As you can see, my REMUS third piece has arrived in the post. So there's a quick look at it. Now I should add, this isn't a official REMUS third piece. This was purchased from a member on VXR online. I'll probably put his name in the description. For 120 quid posted. It is really light, and it is an exact replica or replacement for the REMUS. I mean, it's exactly the same. It's just 80 odd quid cheaper, which is good in anyone's books. So here's a quick look at that. I'm going to go and get it fitted now. So I'll probably do a quick video in the car of what my current exhaust sounds like, you know, listen up for that, and then obviously the way back with this fitted. Right, hello people, in my car now. I'm going to do a quick test, listen up for what my REMUS 2-piece sounds like, and then I'm going to head over to get my third piece fitted. Right, let's start up. So this is a cold start. Haven't driven the car in a little while. Another little update, I will be buying a GoPro tonight. So no more filming. Little pops there. I will be filming on a GoPro from now on, hopefully. Yeah, so fingers crossed, I'm going tonight to get a GoPro from Argos. At a pretty good price. I'm sure you guys can hear the exhaust, but yeah, that's just a REMUS 2-piece. Haven't actually driven a car for a day, so it's going to be extra cold. But sometimes you get a few little pops, but yeah. Stuff rattling about everywhere. Right, so like I said, I'm on the way to my local, or a garage that I like to go to get stuff fitted. Oh, nice little double pop there. Little pop there. It's ATS in Bourne End. They are very good. Very cheap. I think it's because they know me, in the sense that I've been there quite a lot with things on my old car. But yeah. So there's some pops of the 2-piece. You don't get all the time with a 2-piece. I can guarantee you that now. Well, it's fact. You only get them on cold start. So there you go. There's a video on 2-piece. Hopefully, once you've watched this, you'll be hearing a third piece. Right, hello people. Just got the exhaust fitted, the third piece. My first start up. Right, here we go. Right, sounds peachy. Let's go for a bit of a drive. Right, windows are up because the camera quality and the noise recording isn't that good. Sounds very nice. My old exhaust in the boot rattling a bit. So yeah, so it's not an actual REMUS third piece. It's from a guy off VXR online, 120 quid. which is pretty good, seeing as the genuine REMUS one costs about 180, and the difference, there isn't really any difference apart from it's not a real REMUS, but there's no branding on the actual REMUS one, there's no branding on this one, so it's still going to be Vauxhall approved, because Vauxhall aren't going to be any the wiser, especially if I've already got a legitimate REMUS 2-piece on. They're going to obviously presume it's going to be the genuine one. They've already taken it in, and REMUS didn't Vauxhall didn't question me about the exhaust, so should be fine. But I mean, it is a lot louder, a little raspier. It sounds good. It's bloody hot with these windows up. Right, if they don't come in, stay there. Stay there. Very nice. Alright, I'm going to sign off now. Cheers for watching, subscribe. I'm going to have more videos coming on Sunday, potentially. Because obviously I'm going off to Simply Vauxhall, which should be good. So yeah, subscribe, watch, thank you.